a floating rate note, as the name suggests, it does not pay a fixed coupon. Instead, what it does is it takes a market reference rates, an MRR, so that could be a SOFR, a SONIA, an EONIA in the Eurozone. It's basically a variable rate and then slaps on top of it a fixed margin. The margin is measured in basis points. And that fixed margin is also known as the quoted margin. And it exists in order to compensate us for the additional credit risk that the lender is taking on by lending to this borrower via the floating rate note. So what I like to think of here is that the quoted margin is essentially the additional number of basis points, the fixed number of basis points above the MRR that the issuer, the borrower, is willing to give us. Okay, so it is akin to the coupon of a fixed coupon bond in a way, because that's fixed, just like that fixed margin is going to be fixed during the life of the bond. Now, the second concept we need to talk about is the required margin, and this is also known as the discount margin. So this could get tested both ways, and that is effectively determined by the market. Okay, so that's more akin to our traditional yield measure. So this measure can go up in times where the perceived credit risk has gone up, and likewise it can go down if markets perceive the credit risk of the issuer to have declined.